No one will tell you about this situation that I'm going to just share for your selection in top MBA colleges. The problem is when you are only preparing for exam like CAT and ZAT, you are preparing for very advanced level of questions and chapters, which normal student takes 3 years, 2 years, 1 year time to get at that level. The problem with this approach is because it takes so much time and the seats are very less and the competition is very high. It doesn't matter how much hard work you put, your chances of success is very low. And with each passing year, the chances are going more and more scarce and it is going more and more limited. Now, what is the solution of this particular thing? The solution is you give an exam which gives you multiple opportunities, multiple attempts in the same year, and also opens the door of multiple top MBA colleges. Which exam is that? That is SNAP, Symbiosis National Aptitude Exam. This particular exam gives 3 attempts in the same 1 month window. So even if you do not crack in one attempt, you can take second attempt. Even if you cannot crack in second attempt, then you can crack third attempt. So this saved 3 years of your life by giving in one shot. Second, multiple top MBA colleges like SIBM Pune, SMHRD Pune, SIBM Bangalore, SIBM Hyderabad, all these colleges are given access to this exam. That means if you prepare for this particular exam in a systematic order, you can not only crack SNAP top MBA colleges, but you can also apply for other MBA colleges, which gives you placement range starting from 18 lakh rupees per year and touching up to 40 lakh rupees per year. This is the best thing. You know why? Because if you are putting so much time already in your preparation, why you should not apply other great opportunities which come along the way? So the best news is the form of SNAP exam is still open. You can go and fill up that form and register yourself for this. And the best part is the exam level difficulty is like 1/3 of the CAT exam. The competition is very low because most of the people do not know about this particular thing. And once you apply this and you go forward to that, you can make sure that you have more doors open for you. You have a backup option ready. You are having the great career opportunities ready. This is the reason why you should definitely go for the SNAP exam. Now you might be wondering like, am I eligible for SNAP? Answer is yes. If you are in the final year, graduate or working professional, all of you can apply in the SNAP exam. No disqualification is there. Second, a lot of you might be thinking, can I crack SNAP if I start preparing? The answer is definitely yes, because the exam is scheduled in December 10, start till December 23. So make sure that you start revising the things on the areas of quant, reasoning DI and verbal ability, which is specific topic. Like in quant you cover arithmetic, geometry, you cover permutation combination. In verbal ability you focus on ready comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, okay, and LR and DI you focus on key caselets. This way you will be able to score very good marks compared to any other exam like CAT and ZAT, which is extremely high level. So what I want to say in simple language to all of you is, your life is precious, your years are precious. Do not waste it just because you did not apply it for the right thing. The another benefit of it, when you clear the SNAP, you apply for the SNAP, you get revision, you get more opportunities open for you. So in the future exam, you can do much better because you have already experience of giving exam. Definitely, you should go forward to SIBM Pune, SMHRD Pune, which are the top dominant programs in SNAP exam. But also keep in mind that you need to prepare for the overall selection of this thing. Because in Symbiosis, you have group exercises, you have interview, GD and all. So not only focus on your entrance exam, but also focus on your overall selection. Now you might be thinking, I'm not able to cover entrance exam. How I should prepare for the selection round now? That is the point, everyone. When you have a big goal that I want to prepare for overall thing, then you will jump in faster. You will try to cover things faster in your entrance exam. The another advice I would like to give it to all of you, do not study on your own at this point of time. This is about your career. This is about till the last day of your life, till the last day of your career. So make sure you do not take it like lightly doing self preparation or random preparation. Invest in the good training, good mentorship, good coaching. Refer to the right resources that is required for you to get into the SNAP exam. That way you will be able to accelerate your journey towards one sort selection. And remember, the first attempt is the most easiest attempt. The more you fail, the more it take effort from your side to convince the panel that why you are good candidate. So always go with the mindset of cracking in first shot itself. Do not take multiple years, which you can do in 1 year. And that is the advantage of it. That is the benefit of it. This is the beauty of it. And if you want to know like systematically, step by step process, how you can take advantage, how you can prepare, what all you can do to build your profile, which chapters to focus on, what are the 3 steps that you should implement it. That I have recorded a special session for all of you. The link will be provided in the description box where you can get clarity on, in addition to preparing for SNAP, which all other exams you can give by preparing holistically in one short thing, that you can definitely go and check it out. Another point that I want to convey to you in terms of your journey towards your selection in SNAP exam is also be very clear that you are keeping your documents ready with respect to the reservation, your 10th, 12th, your graduation. You should have all the documents ready because you need to upload those documents for the benefit of your candidature. So do not have outdated document or not updated document as per the benefit that you want to have. So always keep your data updated, always your documents fully updated in this journey. The another point that a lot of people think that they have to cover everything to clear the SNAP exam. The answer is not. If you really want to crack SNAP exam, you need to focus on those 20% of the chapters which gives you 90% of the marks, and ignore all the other things. So you first cover those 20% chapters, then you cover the other syllabus. Now how you will come to know which are those 20% chapters? Very, very simple. Refer to the past year papers, take a print of it, review it, which chapters are coming very, very frequently, and then take advantage of it. With this, I'm damn sure you will be able to crack SNAP and save your year and settle in your life and grow in your life, in your career. Okay. And if you want to know in detail about it, click on the link provided in the description box so that you can get access to the 3 steps approach for you to crack SNAP and other top MBA colleges in one attempt. Go ahead and check that out. All the best for your selection in one attempt.